How to add a story on Instagram from PC. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up your web browser and go to Instagram. Log into your Instagram account. Now once you're logged in, right click on empty surface on your screen and now select inspect. Next, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now from here, tap on this computer or mobile-like icon and now click on dimensions. Now from the drop-down menu, select your phone format. For now, I'm gonna let it be on iPhone 12 Pro. Now refresh your browser once and right here you'll be able to see your story option. Now tap on it as a mobile device and now select the picture that you want to add on your story. You can go ahead and edit your pictures by adding text, stickers. Once done, tap on add to your story. With this, the story will be added. Now to exit this format, tap on dimensions once again and select responsive. To cancel or exit this, tap on cross mark at the upper right corner and there you go. So that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.